Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off easy mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for easy mode and how to disable it. First, we need to go to our phone settings. Then we need to scroll to display options menu. Next, we need to scroll again, and here we have easy mode option. Now, in the easy mode, we can make some changes, for example, touch and hold delay, as you can see, or we can turn on or off high contrast keyboard. But if we simply want to disable this mode, we need to use this switch right here. So tap it once, and now the easy mode is off. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.